In this problem, we know that a certain business is marketing its product. When it raised the selling price of its product, the sales went down. This is typical in a lot of businesses. And now we have this equation, price is equal to 1200 minus 20s, where s is the selling price. So they're trying to find the decrease in selling price from 700 units sold to 900 units sold. Okay, so to solve this problem, we're going to set up two different instances of this equation. One where we plug in 700, and the other when we plug in 900. Oops. So we know that 700 units sold is P. So we plug in 700 for here, and 900 for the other one. And we know that 700 minus 1200 gets us 500, negative 500. And we divide both sides by 20s. This gets us 25 is equal to s. Now we do the same thing and subtract both sides by 1200 on this side. So we get negative 300 is equal to negative 20s. So therefore, s is equal to 115. So therefore, when we subtract these two, 25 minus 15, this gets us 10.